Hi everyone, this is Julia here. So today I'm going to teach you how to lighten your skin. Okay, as in like the body areas wise, because we always have, sometimes we will have like the armpit area here a bit dark, right? And then also when you do your Brazilian, sometimes that inner thighs area quite dark, right? And then also Brazilian will also, when you do like your Brazilian wax or you're doing your Brazilian IPL, you also experience like ingrown hair, correct? So I'm gonna give you a very good idea, which I use it for 1 month and I see so much difference. And you don't have to buy any skin lightening products anymore. Sometimes skin lightening products can be very harmful to your skin, which if you don't know what kind of ingredients that's inside, and sometimes it will have like it will actually dry up your skin and then you need to put moisturizer. So now I'm going to teach you 2-in-1 kind of effect, as in like benefits, which you want to know. So I'm going to teach you how. So first is, we're going to use our Mary Kay body scrub. Okay, we're going to scrub. I'm going to show you the darkened area. So mostly my darkened area will be my elbow area, or it could be the arm area here, or it could be the, when you do your Brazilian, the inner thighs area. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to use this body scrub. I love this body scrub. It's only $23. It has white tea and citrus, very rich in antioxidant and very rich in vitamins, and also very rich in those plant extracts that helps to lighten up your skin without any harmful effects. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this body scrub area. Okay, and I'm gonna scrub this. Okay, of course you must wet your elbow a little bit. I already wet my elbow already beforehand. Okay, I don't know whether you can see. Okay, and then I'm going to wipe off. Can you see it lightens a little bit? Okay, next right, I'm going to use my Timewise night cream. Wait, make sure I wipe properly. Okay, so you can see as you use the body scrub, right, it helps to lighten and remove the dead cells. Okay, and it gives you younger looking skin. So sometimes, you know, like for me, I already went sun tanning, right? So it actually helps to lighten a little bit. Ta-da! Can you see my left and right? My right is darker than my left. Okay, next right, I'm gonna use my Timewise night cream only on the areas that you want to lighten your skin, like here, the armpit area, and also the knees area, and also the inner thighs area. So I use this one. This one has argan oil and also hyaluronic acid. It has also retinol inside. So I want to tell you about retinol. It actually helps to firm up the skin. You can use it for at night as well. It helps to firm up the skin and then minimize pores, and then firm up the and help to hydrate the skin as well. Then after that, right, it also helps to stimulate collagen, okay, so that the skin looks firmer, and on top of that, right, it reduces wrinkles, and also it gives you, stimulates cell turnover, and also renew from the bottom up. That means renew your skin from the bottom up. Plus, it helps to lighten your skin. On top of that, it helps to prevent ingrown hair if you do Brazilian. And if you do your armpit, right, also if you scrub your armpit, right, because normally we do I also do IPL on my armpit. So if I do IPL on my armpit area and I do IPL on my Brazilian area, it's you know, if you don't scrub, right, you don't scrub the very day that you do your treatment. You do it the very next day or 2 days later, you can scrub. Then you actually use this one to apply day and night. You will see that it helps to lighten the area and prevent ingrown hair. So because I always suffer from ingrown hair, I don't know about you, so that's why this actually helps me. And then now my skin is quite smooth and fair, right? So you can see that I'm very confident of, and I don't have any like a darkened area here or darkened area at the inner thighs area. So when I wear swimming costumes, when I wear bikini, I look very good. So here's my little tips for you, so you can try it. If you want to order, just PM me for information, and then I will let you, you can just transfer to me the money. This one is just $85, and it will last you very long because you only use it at night, and of course the certain areas that I mentioned, just a little bit goes a long way. Just 1 pump. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'll just do 1 pump. Okay, just like that. It's very, you can put 2 areas and even your Brazilian already, because you don't need a lot of creams on the Brazilian area because it's very sensitive, right? So but this is very good for sensitive skin as well. So what I do is I rub and then I apply, so it helps to lighten the area straight away. Can you see it darkens my elbow is darker on the right side compared to left side. Yeah, so that's why this is my secret that I discovered, and I know that you will like it, and then you can try, because so many women I see, right? I mean, at the MRT, you know, you can see that the bottom area is a bit dark, you know, and then even their thighs, the inner thighs is a bit dark. So by doing this, right, you will help yourself to look good and feel confident as well. And then when you wear shorts, you look very good as well. So this is my little tip for you. If you're interested in what the product is, right, you can just simply PM me for details, and then you can order from me as well directly, and I'll mail it to you. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please share with this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!